This video is going to be a product review of the Plumeet large number wall clock. This clock, look at this, unbelievable how beautiful this is. A black face, 3D numerals, it is 13 inches, it is silent, non-ticking, new quartz. It's a decorative wall clock for your office, for your house, for your living room, for your kitchen, for the hallway. Look at this clock. Look at that. So what this comes with is a very easy to mount hook system. Comes with the 4 nails. You do not need to drill the wall. No wallboard dust, no drywall dust, no worrying about drilling into studs. You take the hook, put it where you want it, put the 4 nails into the 4 holes over there, and then attach the clock onto the hook. To use the clock, all you need is a AA battery. Take the battery, put it in the back of the clock, turn it over. You can mount it on the wall. Let's look at that. 13 inches. Most clocks, most wall clocks are 10.5, 12 inches. This is 13 inches. Eye-catching numbers. They are large. You could see this across the room, across an office, across a hallway. If you look closely, you can see these numbers are bulging out over the face of the clock. That's why this clock is so beautiful, because the numbers stand out. Look again at the back. You see how they put this clock face on? The numbers are pressed outward so that the clock is very easy to see. You can buy this on Amazon from Plumeet. The model number is EM8016. I will place a link at the bottom of this video so you can click on it and order it. 2mm high quality glass on the front. The clock is made with glass and plastic. It's got a modern look and a new quartz design feature. Remember, it's non-ticking, so you'll be able to sleep with this at night and not hear the tick, 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 tick. You'll be able to have it in the office during office meetings, and you won't have to worry about that annoying clicking sound. Definitely want to buy this clock.